So guys, tapos na yung aming 1-hour cruise. Ayan, yung mga kasamahan namin. Nag-dock na siya. So manunood kami ngayon ng feeding nila ng pelicans. Ayan. Look at that. My God, it's raining. Let's go, let's go. I don't know if we're going to continue this car circuit, but we're going to inquire. Hindi pa naman kami nagkuha ng ticket kasi nga umuulan. So this is where go-karts, Grand Peak Circuits Visitor Center, go-kart circuit viewing, history of motorsport, license cafe. Magtanong tayo. Limited available today. Let's go. Let's inquire. Hi guys, so we're now here in Phillip Island Circuit. Ayan. So this is the circuit here. There's Joanne and there's Miet. Miet, we're going to try the circuit for just only 10 minutes and that is $42. So let's go. Let's come here. So before we go there, let's have a try to look what it's in here. Gani. A history of motorsport at Phillip Island. So we need to purchase a ticket which is $20. So hindi natin gagawin yan kasi ang mahal. Bahala sila dyan kung anong andoon sa loob. So meron ditong cafe kung saan pwede kayong mag-coffee. And then meron din sila ditong mga merchandise. Ayan. Which is ang mahal. Collection pin. Ano pang meron? Ay, ang ganda ng heater. Kanina pa talaga ako nilalamig. That's it. Okay. So, we're going there later at 1:30. Doon, punta tayo and then tingnan natin. Antayin natin doon mamaya si Miyat. 10 minutes lang. Para lang ma-happy siya kasi gustong-gusto niya talaga. Ayun ang mga motor. Ang lamig. And umuulan talaga pero gusto niya talagang i-push. So this one is the Arc Bike 2016. Sa mga mahilig sa motor dyan, these are garments worn by motorcycle riders. Protection and comfort. Okay. And this one, ano to? Austin 7 Special 4-cylinder blah 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 1988 blah blah blah. And that's one there. Ayan. Yain ko muna si Joed magkape. Nilalamig talaga ako. So these are the tickets. 1 times 10-minute session is $40. Kung 2 times 10-minute session, 70. Makakasave ka ng 10. Kung dalawang gusto mong dalawa, ayaw ni Joed eh. Okay. Hintay lang kami guys ng 1:30 and then nag-fish and chips muna kami dito and nag-coffee. The rain is 100%. So ewan ko lang yan dyan mamaya. Mabasa yan si Mia. Put that marshmallow inside your hot chocolate. Why?
May flavor siya.
Ibutang ding marshmallow sa imong hot chocolate. And kanina guys, hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-video doon sa aming Cape Walamay cruise kasi nahilo ako. And then, yun. Tapos naubos yung aking, yung tawag nito? Storage sa aking phone. So, kailangan kong mag-delete ng mga pictures, videos na malalaki yung mga GB na nakukonsume sa aking phone. And then, hindi ko siya ma-delete doon mismo habang nagkukruise kami kasi nga diba pag ganun-ganun. And then, nahihilo na ako. So, naupo na lang talaga ako doon guys. So, wala ko masyadong naipakita talaga doon. Pero maganda naman yung maganda naman yung view doon. So, yun. Kaya, meron na ako ngayong meron na akong anong tawag dito? Storage. Fish and chips muna tayo guys. Shared by 3. Magkano to pa? How much is this? Oh my God. $15 din siya. Expensive rin. Huh? Guys, we're going now to the area where we're going to sit. And we bring our fish and chips with us. Yep. Okay, from there, you need to walk up to here. And then to the racing ground. Go-karts on this way. Sana naman ay pinasemento nyo ito So guys, ayan. This is our weekend. Balik work naman tayo bukas for another week. Medyo inano ko na yung schedule ko para I still have time to do this kind of stuff like bonding, catching up with the kids and Joed, or sometimes just stay in the house, maglinis, mag-garden. So, yun na yung ating schedule ngayon. So, ito siya. Please wait here until your session is cold. So, dito lang kami maghihintay. Gani. Wow. Paulam na pang jacket mo sa iya. So, ito lang. Ikot-ikot ka lang dito. Yan. Dito lang siya, maikot-ikot lang siya. Diyan. Baby! Baby! Ambot ka? Hindi pa. Ambot ka? Oo, hindi pa. Gani, dugin patindog pa siya liwat. Papungkoon. Para laba. Baby, I love you.
breeze.
That's her
On this
first time,
summer
guys.
night,
Baby, I
cruising down the road,
love
everything feels right. Laughter echoes as we drive through the town. Music's playing, we're slowing down. Drive on, heartbeats in sync. Under the stars, we'll never miss a wink. Feel alive, with the wind so free. In this moment, we're right where we should be. City lights, shining just like gold. Stories untold, ready to unfold. Windows down, we'll our favorite tune. Dance with the night under the glowing moon. Drive on, roads wide and clear. With every mile, our dreams draw near. Feel the rush, feel the joy in the melody. In this journey, we're wild and free. Reach the stars and reach the strength. It's never fast night. Against the wind, we're sparking our eyes. Chasing horizons that light up the skies. Drive on, heartbeats unfold. Moments like these, memories untold. Feel the thrill, feel the vibe as we ride this spree. In this journey we're wild and free.
guys, ayan. Medyo okay na rin si Miyet. Laro-laro lang to, pero parang feeling mo yung parang nagre-race ka din. Wala, laro lang talaga to. It's a 10 minutes session. Laro lang para kay Miyet, which is very good. Mapapractice yung driving skills niya sa ganitong laro. Napakaganda. Guys, so yung nandito sa kabila, may second session pa sila. And then yung dito sa kabila is tapos na yung 10-minute session niya. So yan. Feeling ko, to sa kanya, she wants more. Feeling ko lang she wants more. There she is. Hinay lang madanlog. Nag-enjoy ka, be? Oh, okay lang? How is it? You want more? Or that's enough for now? Alright guys, let's go. We're done here in go-kart. Phillip Island go-karts. So let's go guys. Uwi na tayo.